If you regularly print the same area, then you would set that as the print area and everything will be okay. However, if you don't regularly print the same area, but you do want to print different parts of your spreadsheet, then a print area is probably a little bit overkill. But all we want to do is highlight a section and say, let's print that section, please. So taking our employees D file, we could simply highlight a part of the sheet that we would like to print. So for example, the title across to the town for the first 11 people. We then go to File, Print, and in the little option here in the settings, we can say Print Selection. And you'll see it only picks up those cells that we highlighted as selected. Now if we were to select a non-consecutive batch, so I select that range, and then I select another set of cells, so use the Control key and highlight a second set, perhaps not even using the same columns, so you can see I've got that set and that set, and then let's highlight another set. Obviously if you were going to do this for real, those sets would make sense to you. Here we're just randomly picking 3 ranges from within the same sheet. We then go to File, Print. It retains the option that we wanted to print the selection. But what you'll notice is that each of the selections is on a different page. So page 1 has the first selection, page 2 has the second selection, and page 3 has the third selection. Now the reason it does that is because it doesn't automatically see any correlation between the 3 sections, so it places them on separate pages. If it so happened that you selected enough data to fill one page, then that would run into 2 pages, and the subsequent sections would then be on pages 3 and pages 4. So printing a selection of your spreadsheet, if it's a one-off selection and you don't want to set it as a print area, just requires you to highlight the cells or the columns or the rows that you would like to print, File and Print, Control P will bring you to the same dialog box, and in the settings, make sure you choose Print Selection rather than printing the active worksheets or even the entire workbook. Printing Selection will then only want to print those cells that you've selected, and we now only have 2 cells selected, so that's all that it would want to print.